Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you are doing well. So today I am very excited. You can see on my face because finally my parcel had came. I was waiting for this parcel for 2 weeks, and obviously you have seen on my title the what is the parcel. Yes, there is iPhone 13 Pro. So I'm gonna unboxing my iPhone with you guys because you are my family. So let's get started. This is my iPhone 13 Pro, guys, and everyone has to say mashallah. So you can see I'm gonna unboxing with you guys because you are my family. So now I'm gonna start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Always say Bismillah when you're gonna start something. Allah will give you blessing. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So ooh, oh my gosh, mashallah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. It's really beautiful, guys. I order in the silver because silver is just like a whitish, you can see, and how it's glittering, you can see it's looking very amazing, mate. Wow. Ooh, you can see. So let's check what's inside. Wow, it's really beautiful. So there is also a one, I think is data cable or charger inside it. This is the cable, I think it's cable, yeah, you can see it's a one cable. Or this is, I'll keep it here first, then I show you. Wow, looks, guys, it's looking so beautiful. I hope you can see properly. Ooh. So gonna start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, guys, look, it's looking so dashing. Wow, mashallah. It's really looking nice now. I love this one. So let's see to start. You can see it's looking beautiful. And finally, guys, I unboxed my iPhone with you. So I am very happy that I opened my iPhone 13 Pro with my YouTube family. So very soon, inshallah, I will meet you with a new video. But till then, you have to subscribe my channel, comment, like, and share please my videos with your other friends. And please watch full video. Don't need to be move forward. I know. So इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्दी मिलेंगे। और जाते जाते हमेशा की तरह एक छोटी सी बात कि हमेशा दूसरों की खुशी में खुश होना सीखें। जब हम दूसरों की खुशी में खुश होना सीखेंगे तो अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त हमें बहुत ज़्यादा नेमतों से नवाजेगा। और इंशाल्लाह फिर मिलेंगे। अस्सलामु अलैकुम।